Hey everyone! The Huawei MatePad Mini is Huawei's answer to the growing demand for compact premium tablets, stepping directly into competition with devices like the iPad Mini and the Xiaomi Pad Mini. Originally unveiled in China alongside the Huawei Mate 80, the MatePad Mini has now entered the global stage with a clear focus on portability, display quality, and productivity within a small form factor. At the heart of the device is its 8.8-inch display, and this is arguably the tablet's defining feature. The screen offers a 2.5K resolution in a 16:10 aspect ratio and achieves an impressive 92% screen-to-body ratio, making the front feel almost entirely immersive. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid scrolling and responsive stylus input, while the peak brightness of 1800 nits makes it usable even in challenging lighting conditions. Despite Huawei not officially disclosing the chipset details, the MatePad Mini runs on Harmony OS 4.3, which plays a crucial role in defining the user experience. The operating system is optimized for multitasking and productivity, offering split-screen modes, floating windows, and seamless cross-device collaboration within Huawei's ecosystem. Design is another standout element. At just 5.1 mm thick and weighing around 255 grams, the MatePad Mini feels exceptionally slim and lightweight. Huawei uses a magnesium metal frame paired with a 3D vegan fiber back panel, a combination that balances durability with elegance. On the camera front, Huawei equips the MatePad Mini with a surprisingly advanced setup for a compact tablet. The rear system includes a 50-megapixels primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, capable of recording 4K video. Supporting it is an 8-megapixels ultra-wide macro lens with an f2.2 aperture, adding flexibility for close-up shots and wider perspectives. The 32-megapixels front camera enhances video calls and remote meetings, delivering sharp visuals for professional communication. Battery performance is another key strength. The 6400 mAh battery may not sound massive compared to larger tablets. The inclusion of 66-watt Huawei Supercharge significantly reduces downtime, allowing users to quickly top up the device. Connectivity and additional features round out the package. The MatePad Mini supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring high-speed wireless performance and stable accessory connections. In terms of memory configurations, Huawei offers options with 8 or 12 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of internal storage, giving users flexibility based on their needs. With a starting price in China of $584, the MatePad Mini positions itself firmly in the premium compact tablet segment. Overall, the Huawei MatePad Mini stands out not merely because of its size, but because of how much technology Huawei has managed to integrate into such a slim and lightweight body. The combination of a high-brightness paper matte OLED display, advanced multitasking through Harmony OS 4.3, powerful cameras, fast charging, and premium materials makes it a compelling option for users who want portability without sacrificing capability. It feels designed for those who value a compact device that can comfortably transition between reading, creative work, streaming, and everyday productivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.